In today's scenario, we see that maintenance cases are being filed by the women folk without filing a divorce case, where they seek maintenance from the husband who is earning a handsome amount of money or who is not earning at all. So, in the certain circumstances, the woman who has got married for say 1 year or maybe for 5 years or maybe 10 years, who had not been working and had been looking after her family and her children, she is now brought to a situation where she'll have to think about going outside and earning her own money. So, in that particular situation, the husband who had been earning the money and had been looking after the family has withdrawn from that particular situation. So, now the woman is brought to a situation where she is seeing a dead end in front of her. So, this is one situation. In certain other situations, we see that in certain cases where there are no harassments on the women folk, but still the women try to drench out money from their husbands, and by taking a plea that they are not going to earn, they are not going to become self sufficient, and they are going to linger on their husband who is earning a very handsome amount of money, and she cannot get away of that man who is earning, and she need to stay and stick to that particular man because she herself is unable to earn any kind of an earning. She doesn't think herself to be efficient enough to earn money from the outside world. So, in this particular situation, what happens in many cases, we see that the women are genuinely harassed, they are not getting maintenance. In certain cases, we see that when men are being harassed and they are genuinely put into a situation where they need not pay any money to their wife, but they are actually compelled in that particular situation to keep on paying to their wives. And in another situation, we see that when men escape from their responsibilities, and in few situations, we see that women also escape their responsibilities by not trying to becoming empowered themselves. So, what's in as this situation has arose in the society, so actually this need to be corrected, where women and men they should be actually properly trained before the marriage, that what are their responsibilities, what there should be, they should how they should set a goal for making a family and how to run their family. Then the disputes will be lessened. And this kind of situation are actually certain situations where it's very much whimsical, and the social institution called marriage is slowly collapsing down due to this kind of a situation. And mostly the sufferer are the children who are outcome of this marriage. They are now nowhere because of the faults of their parents, either due to genuine harassment or due to ingenuine harassments. The children are the main sufferers, who are the outcome of this marriage. So, in order to not come up with this kind of social structure, our government and our institutions, social institutions must strengthen the foothold, the groundwork. There should be done a proper groundwork where the families can secure themselves, where the women are empowered, where the men are secured, they should feel secured with their spouses, and they also need not feel the burden of maintaining their family, where both the partners they are equally collaborating with each other. So, as a lawyer, not only fighting cases is my duty, to make aware to the society about the social justice is also one of my, I feel that is also my duty, being a lawyer. So, the society must also think